giving me this chance, this opportunity to be with you people, and so that we can introduce each other, we can know each other, and whatever I know, whatever knowledge I have in this particular subject, so I would be happy to share it with you. So, and what is the language you're comfortable? Hindi, English, or English? So you can open your mics.
English or Hindi, both are fine.
Both are fine. Okay, wonderful. English. That's
great. Both are fine.
So great. हाँ, चलते हैं अभी आगे. अब हम आज का जो टॉपिक है, that is how to create a YouTube channel, or in case you have already your YouTube channel, then how you can do is it customized in the way you can take it to the next levels. You can start earning money, and it can add some wings to your profession, your business, your career, or your passion, whatever you are doing. So are you ready to move ahead? अगर बिल्कुल ready हैं तो please write in the chat box ready, और spinal cord सीधा करके बैठ जाए. मैम ने बताया था योगा में भी हूँ, तो थोड़ी थोड़ी योगा वाली बातें भी आपको करता जाऊंगा. क्या करूं, आदत से मजबूर हूं. यस प्लीज, जल्दी रेडी. ओह वाओ, ग्रेट, वंडरफुल, बहुत बढ़िया. चलिए, बहुत अच्छी एनर्जी मुझे आपसे मिल रही है इस सेशन में, और मैं चाहूंगा कि अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. और यस मैम, कोई किसी ने ज्वाइन किया है तो जस्ट ए मिनट में. Yes, so I think my screen is visible to everyone here.
Yes.
Great. So create your own video channel, how you can do it. So let's move. अभी और बच्चे हैं लोग, प्लीज मैम एडमिट करें इन्हें. तो शुरू करने से पहले हम सब एक साथ हो लें. Yes, great. Okay. So I just want to ask you people that how many of us are here who have their YouTube channel already? हम में से ऐसे कितने लोग हैं जिनका YouTube चैनल पहले से है? Please write in the chat box those who have their YouTube channel. And स्मिता जी का है, great. And शुभमानेश्वरी जी का है, नहीं है. Yes, please interact करेंगे. आप जितना interact करेंगे, it would be easy to me to connect with you. शंकरा रेड्डी जी नहीं. मनिंदर जी, yes, आपके पास है. Yes, great. और भी कोई हैं जिनके पास है? प्लीज इंटरेक्ट. हम 15-16 लोग हैं और मुझे 4 लोगों का जवाब आ रहा है. प्लीज प्लीज. यस, पूजा नागपाल जी नो. प्रणल जी नो. देबलिना जी नो. यस, ओके, नो. ग्रेट. एंड इज देयर एनीबडी इन द रूम हु इज गेटिंग मनी फ्रॉम यूट्यूब चैनल? अभी तक शायद 1-2 ने लिखा है कि उनके पास है. नो. बस जिसका यस है वो यस लिख दें, अदरवाइज जस्ट पुट नो देयर. नो. ग्रेट, वंडरफुल. सो इट्स ओके. वी ऑल आर एट ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर लेवल. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द स्क्रैच. आज बिल्कुल शुरू से लेके चलते हैं. बट नो मनी. ग्रेट स्मिता जी, आप चिंता ना करें, मनी भी आएगा. आज हम चलते हैं कि कैसे आप मनी की तरफ बढ़ेंगे. So to learn how to set up a YouTube channel is the objective for this session, entire session today. In next one, just a minute. Yes, next 1 hour, we will discuss a lot of things about this. What we would discuss, there are 4 major things we are going to elaborate today, and we'll do a lot of brainstorming here. पूरा 1 घंटा हम यहाँ brainstorming करेंगे, और जितना कुछ आपको आता है प्लीज आप इंटरेक्ट करना मेरे साथ. लेट्स मेक दिस क्लास इंटरेक्टिव. 4 टॉपिक हैं. पहला इंट्रो, जिस पर हम 2 मिनट खर्च करेंगे. उसके बाद चैनल क्रिएशन, उस पर हम हार्डली 10 मिनट खर्च करेंगे. चैनल ऑप्टिमाइजेशन पर हम 15-1 मिनट खर्च करेंगे, चैनल मोनेटाइजेशन पर 10 से 15 मिनट खर्च करेंगे, और फिर हम Q&A करेंगे। आप चाहें तो आप बीच में भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पूछ सकते हैं, हम साथ साथ क्लियर करते जाएंगे। एंड if you are comfortable, those who have no channel so far, and in case they feel comfortable, they can take their 2 devices, एक डिवाइस पर आप यहाँ सुन रहे हो और दूसरी डिवाइस पर आप अपना एग्जाम्पल करते जाओ, अपना एक्सपेरिमेंट करते जाओ, आप प्रैक्टिकल करते जाओ, सो दैट आपको रियल टाइम लर्निंग आ जाए। तो अगर आपको ऐसा भी है, 2 डिवाइस हैं, अगर आप लैपटॉप से जुड़े हो और मोबाइल साथ में है, तो आप साथ कर सकते हो, या मोबाइल से जुड़े हैं एंड इन केस यू हैव कंप्यूटर और लैपटॉप आल्सो विद यू, तो आप दोनों से जुड़कर ये एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं। तो आज ये 4 टॉपिक हम मेजरली कवर करेंगे। इंट्रो टू द चैनल, चैनल क्रिएशन, हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट अ चैनल, एंड चैनल ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, चैनल मोनेटाइजेशन। सो द टॉपिक 1, what is YouTube channel? I would ask this question to everyone here in this room. Please put in a single line, what do you mean so far, or what you know about this YouTube channel? Whatever knowledge you have, please put in the chat box, so that 16-17 people should put their 16-7 different opinions on a single topic. Please जल्दी से लिखें, आप सब एक एक लाइन में लिखें कि आप YouTube चैनल से क्या समझते हो। What is this YouTube channel? Why this is being used? Search engine for videos, wow. Branding and advertising to masses. Gaming, where you can connect to people, wonderful. Promote my business, oh great. Next, कितना मजा आ रहा है, अलग अलग ओपिनियंस। प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग वीडियोस, वाओ ग्रेट, वंडरफुल। ऑनलाइन वीडियो प्लेटफॉर्म, रोहिणी जी बहुत बढ़िया। देन प्लीज like Google in video format, yes, so nice, yes, 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 yes. So far I got 8 to 9 answers. Communication with people through videos, wonderful, Neeta ji. Next, Reshmi Nair, where you can find information to watch. Yes, please. Next, everyone, I would request everyone, please put whatever you know, जो आप जानते हो, एक लाइन में लिख दो। कितनी बातें निकल के आई हैं, माय गॉड। आई वंस अगेन विल रिपीट ऑल दीज थिंग्स। आप देखेंगे शायद अगर मैं अकेला बताता तो मैं इतनी डेफिनेशंस नहीं दे पाता। तो आपने सर्च इंजन फॉर वीडियोस, एब्सोल्युटली राइट। ब्रांडिंग एंड एडवर्टाइजमेंट टू मासेस, बहुत सही। गेमिंग, यस, जहां आप लोगों से कनेक्ट हो सकते हो, जहां आप अपनी बिजनेस को प्रमोट कर सकते हो, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हो। ऑनलाइन वीडियो प्लेटफॉर्म है, और गूगल लाइक इन वीडियो फॉर्मेट। कम्युनिकेटिंग विद पीपल थ्रू वीडियोज इज इजी एंड गुड, एंड वेयर यू कैन फाइंड इंफॉर्मेशन टू वॉच। इट्स एन ओपन प्लेटफॉर्म helping audience to solve their burning problems. So great. Freedom of expression, learning platform, बहुत बढ़िया लिखा पूर्वा जी। आजकल लोग जो कुछ कॉलेज में नहीं सीख सकते वो हम YouTube पर सीख रहे हैं। Spreading awareness and motivating people to achieve target oriented things through videos, ये सब मैंने आपके लिए रिपीट किया है, और मैं ये समझता हूं कि ये सारी बातें सही हैं। आपको YouTube चैनल से 10-12 चीजें समझ में आई। It's a perfect place to learn a lot. It's a perfect place to share your knowledge, whatever is in your mind or whatever is in your possession in the form of your learning, that can be shared easily to the people. And because it gets communicated through videos, so people get connected, people are able to learn, people are able to digest, people are able to make a comprehension and understand the messages and everything which is being spreaded there easily. बहुत आसानी से लोग इससे समझ लेते हैं। तो इतनी सारी बातें आपने बताई, मेरे को कुछ बचता नहीं है कि अब मैं बताऊं, फिर भी 2 लाइन में आपको बता चलता हूं। YouTube lets people watch videos about your cause and lets them interact easily. थोड़ी भारी भाषा होगी। YouTube आप क्या करते हो, ये बात आप लोगों को बड़ी आसानी से बोलकर, गाकर, दिखाकर बता सकते हो। आप जिस कॉज में हो, इट कैन बी कम्युनिकेटेड इजीली द वे यू डू, और इंटरेक्शन बड़ा इजी है, लोग उसे लाइव देखते हैं, रूबरू होते हैं आपसे। एंड इट्स अ सिग्निफिकेंट सोशल मीडिया चैनल हैविंग 2 बिलियन पीपल रजिस्टर्ड ऑन इट ग्लोबली। शायद ये मैंने थोड़ा कम बताया, अभी और बढ़ गया है, लॉकडाउन में और बढ़ गया। तो इतने सारे लोग, इस 7 अरब की जनता में 2 अरब लोग, उससे ज्यादा और भी हो सकते हैं, इतने लोग एक जगह कनेक्टेड हैं, और एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां बहुत सारे वीडियोस हैं। शायद दुनिया का कोई ऐसा टॉपिक नहीं है, सो देर इज नो एनी टॉपिक इन दिस वर्ल्ड at that particular topic the YouTube has no videos, even depth videos and various kinds of videos, and every angle is covered there. So everything is there about almost every topic. So YouTube is a great learning place. So that is the definition of YouTube. Now YouTube operates in the form of channels. Channel means a particular and specified place wherein you can get similar or one kind of topics placed by one particular person or one particular organization. So YouTube is a channel where you group the videos you make and upload. You means either you individual or in the form of an organization. Both can put their videos over there. The content is placed in the form of videos, and you can place, in case you are individual, then you can create a channel of individuals, and in case you are an organization, then you can create a brand account over there, and your company's different people who are authorized by the management can place the document, place the videos over there. तो आपका YouTube चैनल एक जगह है जहां पर आप वीडियो रखेंगे, ये भी बहुत सिंपल है। अब वाई YouTube चैनल, आपने बहुत सारे जवाब दे दिए, बट उसका थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल जवाब मैं आपको दे दूं। बिजनेसेस एंड इंडिविजुअल्स क्रिएट YouTube चैनल्स टू शेयर देयर इंफॉर्मेशन, टू शेयर देयर कंटेंट्स, टू शेयर देयर वीडियोस। एंड बिजनेसेस क्यों? क्योंकि वीडियो से बिजनेस बहुत अच्छा होता है। वीडियो से बिजनेस बहुत अच्छा होता है। क्यों? आज ईयर 2021 इज बीइंग कंसीडर्ड एंड डिक्लेयर्ड द ईयर ऑफ वीडियोस इन द पोर्टफोलियो ऑफ मार्केटिंग। स्पेसिफिकली 2021 की साल को वीडियो का साल कहा गया है। उसका एक बड़ा कारण है कि ये पहले से भी एक्सपेक्टेड था, and this COVID-19 lockdown made it more significant because now we have no choice. We are sitting at our homes and we have only this choice to share our content to the people. आज हम बड़ी आसानी से घर बैठ के लोगों को ये बात पहुंचा रहे हैं। और मार्केटिंग में वीडियो इतना सिग्निफिकेंट क्यों है, मुझे बता सकता है कोई? आई वुड आस्क वन मोर क्वेश्चंस टू यू प्लीज। why videos have significant role in marketing? क्यों वीडियो से मार्केटिंग आज इतनी पॉपुलर है? और चारों तरफ आप जहां देखते होंगे लोग बात करते हैं वीडियो मार्केटिंग। सो व्हाट एक्चुअली इट इज, और व्हाई वी आर लर्निंग दिस हियर? वाओ स्मिता जी, बहुत बढ़िया, ग्रुप बहुत अच्छा है आपका, सो ग्रेट। Video speaks 1,000 words. It is easy to relate, easy to communicate. So great. चलिए, in case we talk about psychology of learning, then the brain or the psychological mind or subconscious mind, अगर हम बहुत टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज में कहें तो it understand the language of videos. It understand visuals. It is actually made to understand visuals. कोडिंग नहीं समझ में आती, उसको विजुअल्स समझ में आता है। आप देखेंगे कि हमें एक किताब पढ़ने में बड़ा मुश्किल होता है, एग्जाम देने में किताब भूल जाते हैं, बट एक मूवी पूरी 3 घंटे की याद रह जाती है। व्हाई? बिकॉज सबकॉन्शियस माइंड अंडरस्टैंड्स विजुअल्स इजीली। अगर हम मार्केटिंग जब होती है, आप देखेंगे होर्डिंग्स, पंपलेट्स जहां जितने हैं, इन केस देयर इज वन फेस, अमिताभ बच्चन और शाहरुख खान, तो वो आपको होर्डिंग आपके दिमाग में छप जाता है। जो ब्रांड अवेयरनेस होती है, ब्रांड अवेयरनेस में वो जरूर किसी न किसी फेमस फेस को लेते हैं। वो फेस रखने से होता क्या है, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में एक इमेज क्रिएट हो जाती है उस पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड के लिए। तो यहां भी वही हो रहा है कि अगर आप लोगों को व्हाट्सएप पर, ईमेल पर या सोशल मीडिया चैनल्स पर अपना टेक्स्ट लिख के डाल रहे हो, तो नोबडी इज रेडी टू रीड द होल टेक्स्ट यू आर पुटिंग इन। लोगों को मजा ही नहीं आता वो टेक्स्ट पढ़ने में, अच्छा ही नहीं लगता। कौन पढ़ता है? आप में से कोई पढ़ता है? अगर मैं आपको 2 पेज का एक राइटअप दे दूं, हम सब अपनी जिंदगी में इतने बिजी हैं, नहीं पढ़ेंगे। यहां कोई हो मुझे कि जिसके पास हर एक लंबा टेक्स्ट आता हो और वो पढ़ते हो, तो प्लीज मुझे यस लिख देना। बहुत कम लोग होंगे जो सारा पढ़ते हैं। बट फनी ह्यूमर वीडियो अगर आपको आया, आप जरूर देखते हो। वीडियोस सबसे ज्यादा देखे जाते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को, मन को अच्छा लगता है। मन बहुत जल्दी समझता है। 1000 शब्दों की बजाय एक पिक्चर दे दो, एक वीडियो दे दो, वो बहुत आसानी से समझा जा सकता है। बट गुड पार्ट इज दिस, अभी शायद आप में से कितने लोग हैं जो वीडियो को बिजनेस के लिए यूज करना चाहते हैं या अपने प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ के लिए यूज करना चाहते हैं? प्लीज पुट मी ओनली इन द चैट बॉक्स। मी लिख दें बस। प्लीज पुट यस यस। ओ एवरीवन, ग्रेट, वंडरफुल, बहुत बढ़िया, so nice. So the great part is this, rather YouTube has a lot of videos there, but so far only 9% of small businesses are putting their videos and they are creating their channels and promoting their business through YouTube channel. So there are still 9% businesses. आप उसमें से 9% से ज्यादा हो सकते हैं। आप में से सब लोग आजकल वीडियो सीख रहे हैं, बिकॉज वीडियो मेकिंग इज नॉट एन इजी टास्क। वीडियो मेकिंग इज नॉट ए इजी टास्क एंड इट टेक्स टाइम, but it is a wonderful task. In case you put your efforts, your time there, you can communicate your cause, you can communicate your mindset, you can communicate your services or product easily and effectively, and it becomes a heritage. एक बार बनाया खूब लंबा चलेगा वो वीडियो, एक बार वायरल हुआ तो खूब फैलेगा, पर एक बार बनाने में आपको थोड़ी मशक्कत करनी पड़ेगी। इसलिए सारे कंपनी, सारी बिजनेस ये काम नहीं करते। एंड दिस इज अ क्रिएटिव काइंड ऑफ टास्क, creative kind of task, and those who are involved and those who are doing video making business, they are earning good money nowadays. अभी बहुत कमा रहे हैं। आज यहाँ आपने जो ये कोर्स ज्वाइन किया है, ये कोर्स में मैं तो आपको बहुत सौभाग्यशाली कहूंगा कि आपने एक ऐसी जगह कदम रखा है जहां से आप खुद वीडियो मेकिंग कर सकते हैं, और बहुत इजी नहीं है बट ज्यादा टफ भी नहीं है। अगर आप आराम से सीख लो उसे, लोगों ने बहुत टफ बना दिया, कहते हैं बहुत ज्यादा काम करना पड़ता है। नहीं, सिंपली यू कैन डू लिटिल स्टेप्स इन केस यू वुड लाइक टू टेक। आप छोटे छोटे स्टेप लो, सीखो और वीडियो बन जाते हैं। तो दुनिया की 9% कंपनी जुड़ी हुई है। अब ज्यादा लोग वीडियो से अपनी बात करेंगे। अप टू 2025 इंटरनेट पूरा भरेगा वीडियो से। अभी वीडियो मार्केटिंग और वीडियो कंटेंट स्प्रेडिंग बहुत होने वाली है। तो जिन लोगों ने अभी तक वीडियोस की दुनिया में कदम नहीं रखे हैं, प्लीज रख दो। अगर आपको सही टाइम पे एक्शन लेना है तो प्लीज। अब इसमें कदम रखने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? यूट्यूब चैनल सेट करना पड़ेगा, यूट्यूब चैनल बनाना पड़ेगा। तो आइए चैनल बनाते हैं, क्योंकि अब हमें ये तो पता चल गया कि आगे जमाना वीडियो का है, और यूट्यूब चैनल यानी वीडियो रखने के लिए हमारा एक ऐसा सर्वर है जहां यूट्यूब ने हमें फ्री में ये सर्विस दे रखी है कि आप कितने ही वीडियो अपलोड करो, दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू चार्ज अ सिंगल पेनी। आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, इससे बढ़िया फ्री सर्वर दुनिया में नहीं है जहां आप अपने कंटेंट को रख के लोगों के साथ शेयर कर सकते हो और कंटेंट के पैसे भी कमा सकते हो. The beauty of this is that they are not charging anything, rather they are ready to pay you, they are ready to return money to you. इससे बढ़िया और सेटअप नहीं हो सकता. Those who are owning their websites, so they know better कि एक सर्वर लेने के लिए they have to pay 6 to 7,000 per annum. एक छोटा सा सर्वर लेने के लिए आपको 6-7 हजार रुपए देने पड़ते हैं. आप अपने 50-100 वीडियोस का कंटेंट किसी सर्वर पर डाल के देखो, दे आर गोइंग टू चार्ज यू अ गुड मनी. तो यहाँ यूट्यूब पर आपको कोई पैसा नहीं लगता. बहुत अच्छी जगह है, बस आपको वीडियो बनाने और अपलोड करने. एक चैनल बनाना है. आज हम चैनल बनाना सीख रहे हैं, तो मेरे साथ बस अब एक एक्सरसाइज शुरू होती है. आपका कोई क्वेश्चन हो, यहां से आगे थोड़ा टेक्निकल होगा. अभी तक ये सिर्फ एक फॉर्मल भूमिका बना रहे थे हम, अब थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल होगा. प्लीज जहां आपको नहीं समझ में आया, यू कैन स्टॉप मी, यू कैन ओपन योर माइक, यू कैन पुट योर क्वेश्चन इन द चैट बॉक्स इन द रियल टाइम, प्लीज इन टाइम. प्लीज डू नॉट वेट फॉर द लास्ट Q&A सेशन. आप बीच में ही पूछ सकते हैं, सो दैट एवरीवन कैन टेक इट. कुछ लोग हेजिटेशन में नहीं पूछते, पर किसी हेजिटेशन की जरूरत नहीं है. प्लीज समय पर पूछना ताकि आप उसे आराम से समझ सकें. हाँ, यस, गेमिंग चैनल. अभी मैं चैनल के लिए गेमिंग चैनल का नाम कैसे रखना चाहिए, बड़ा फनी सा नाम रखा जाता है गेमिंग चैनल का. अभी डिस्कस करेंगे जब हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. सर प्लीज गिव मी 2 minutes. There are 5 basic steps to create the channel. 5 basic steps. The 5 basic steps, in case you want to note it down, please note it down on the paper in case you have. Otherwise, you can take a picture of this slide. Decide the purpose why you are going to create a channel. What is in your mind to create a channel? So what purposes would be, we would be discussing it elaborately. And the second thing, just sign up or sign in youtube.com. Third, design your channel art. And the fourth is create account, means put settings over there. Certain settings are required to put in. And the fifth one is design. Fifth one is not, it's not mistakenly, it is mentioned over there. So fifth one is different, means upload your content. The fifth one is upload your content. So in case you are writing, please, the step 5 is upload your content, not this design your channel art. It is being copied from there. Design your channel art, थर्ड का फिफ्थ पे चला गया. अपलोड योर कंटेंट शायद सबने लिख लिया. अब मैं एक एक स्टेप को हम पूरी तरह डेप्थ में इलेबोरेटली करेंगे. द फर्स्ट इज डिसाइड योर पर्पस. सो देयर आर वेरियस पर्पसेस टू सेट अप अ चैनल ऑन यूट्यूब. It may be a non-profit program. You might be an NGO. You want to do some social kind of cause. Professional, in case you are a teacher, you are a trainer, or you render some services to the people. Then you might be in a profession, and you would like to promote your professional videos over there. Whether these are public videos or private videos, वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. आप किसी प्रोफेशन में, तो आप अपने प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ के लिए आप वीडियो चैनल बनाना चाहते हैं. एक है कि बस कुछ करना है, जैसे बच्चे करते हैं, कुछ करना है तो वो अपना चैनल बना लेते हैं. पैशन बेस्ड, यू आर पैशनेट टू ड्रॉ, डिजाइन समथिंग, और यू आर पैशनेट टू डांस. काम कुछ और करते हैं बट पैशनेट हो आप किसी के लिए. लोग किचन में रेसिपीज बनाते हैं, दे आर पैशनेट फॉर देम, रादर दे आर नॉट अर्निंग. वो पूरे महीने में 2 महीने में एक रेसिपी डालते हैं, दे आर नॉट अर्निंग एनीथिंग, but passion based है. Business channel, in case you are in a certain business, then you can create a business channel. News channel, सारे channels के जितने भी न्यूज चैनल है उनका वीडियो अपना यूट्यूब चैनल है. फैशन, अगर आप फैशन डिजाइनिंग में हैं and you want to showcase your products over there, your skills over there, your competencies over there, so you can create a fashion channel. Gaming channel, in case you are in a gaming, I mean आपका इंटरेस्ट हो सकता है, आपका प्रोफेशन हो सकता है, आपका पैशन हो सकता है, तो आप गेमिंग चैनल बना सकते हैं. स्पोर्ट्स, फिटनेस, मूवीज एंड टीवी, इतने सारे तरह के चैनल हैं. आपको क्या बनाना है? प्लीज राइट योर वन. राइट योर वन, प्लीज. इन सब में से व्हाट इज योर कैटेगरी? सो प्लीज डू दिस फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज नाउ. What category you are going to take? Ganesh Kanoreji, gaming. Wow, wonderful. Gaming. Second, professional, fashion, and nutritional chamber. Okay, that's again a business channel. Yes, business channel. So majority of people are for business. Health and fitness. Okay, great. Smitha ji. Wonderful. Only few people are interacting. So I would request everyone to put your opinion here. Education, this is one exercise and every one of us is required to write here, please. Inspiration for all means it's a social coach. Professional, okay, just to spread awareness. Bala Subramaniam ji. Education, profession, okay, great. So I assume that every one of you has a cause, has a purpose. Okay, अभी और लिख रहे हैं लोग. Wellness, health and wow, डॉक्टर माधवी खरे, हेल्थ एंड एनवायरमेंटल. वंडरफुल, बहुत बढ़िया. चलिए, एक एक्सरसाइज हमारी पूरी होती है कि हमने पर्पस डिसाइड कर लिया. प्लीज कीप इट विद यू. ओके, जस्ट नोट इट डाउन समवेयर that this is done. In case you are doing it first time, then please keep it with you. And the next thing, create a channel. Create a channel. So I'll go with you online how you can create a channel. So channel can be created in two ways. YouTube gives you two options to create a channel. Either you can create it for yourself as an individual or to manage your business. There are two options. Pehla for individuals, second for business. And the only difference is there, which is to be understood at this moment. Rather, there are certain more differences there. But आज सबसे पहला difference ये है कि for individual you are the authority there, and for business you can delegate the authorities further to your team. Means at particular one channel, multiple people can work together. Wherein in case of this individual channel, एक आदमी काम कर सकता है जो भी उसकी अथॉरिटी है. अब इसे क्रिएट करने के लिए मैं आपके साथ मेरे स्क्रीन पर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है ये सब? नहीं. हेलो.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Visible.
ओके, ग्रेट. जस्ट ए मिनट. गोइंग टू ओपन द न्यू ब्राउजर. अगर आप दो डिवाइस से जुड़े हुए हैं तो प्लीज आप भी ओपन कर सकते हैं एक और ब्राउजर. और I have opened this new browser. So are you able to see this browser on my screen? COVID-19, that tolls are likely a significant undercount.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to YouTube from scratch. Went to YouTube. Now I'm going to create new one, switch account, because I'm already logged in there. So I'm going to switch account, add account. In case you are a new or you want to create one new channel, just go to YouTube and you have to, in case you have Gmail account, then it's okay. You can log in with that particular email ID. आपको अलग से कुछ नहीं करना. That email ID is sufficient to create your account. Otherwise, you have to click this way, add account. So whatever email ID you have, so like आप मेरे साथ साथ करते चलें प्लीज. आई एम गोइंग बैक. And password. Yes, I have logged in. I have logged in this particular account. Now, at this at the time of creation, because I have already created this, then it didn't ask me. Otherwise, I'm once again going to create a channel. Then, so just a minute, I have to log out once again. I'm logging out once again, sign out. It will ask you two options for individual or use another account. Like I'm putting this create account. In case you can see here, it is asking me for myself or to manage my business. It is asking two questions. It always will ask you two questions at the time of creating a new channel for you, new account. And at that time, you have to decide whether I'm going to create channel, individual channel or a brand channel. दोनों में फर्क इतना सा है कि एक जो इंडिविजुअल चैनल है उसको आप शुरू में इंडिविजुअल खुद ही होंगे, बाद में उसे कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है बिजनेस चैनल में. बट बिजनेस चैनल में इन केस यू वांट टू delegate the authority to upload and manage videos on a single channel, then you should go to manage my business, otherwise for myself. So that is the only difference. Now the next is just a minute. Give me just 1 minute, please. Yes. So how many channels you can create in a single email account? So 50 channels can be created with a single email account. But you are advised to create either one or two channels only, because a single channel will require a lot of time and energy of you. एक वीडियो बनाने में हमें मेहनत लगती है, और कितनी मेहनत लगती है अभी आप बनाओगे तो पता चलेगा. तो हमें एक वीडियो, एक चैनल के लिए बहुत सारे वीडियो चाहिए, बिकॉज चैनल बनाना ही काफी नहीं है. It would require a lot of efforts to make it popular, to make it popular in the people, and to reach to the targeted clientele you want for you. आप अपने उस टारगेटेड क्लाइंटेल में इसको ले जाना अपने आप में एक अच्छी खासी एक्सरसाइज है. तो जितने चैनल्स आप ओपन करेंगे उतना आपका मेहनत और एनर्जी लगने वाली है. तो मैं ये रिकमेंड करूंगा कि एज ए प्रोफेशनल यू शुड गो आइदर 1 or 2 चैनल्स ओनली. सो बिजनेस के लिए कोशिश है एक ही चैनल लेके चलो, रादर यूट्यूब अलाउज अप टू 50 चैनल्स. तो यहां तक क्लियर है. तीसरा स्टेप, go to customize your channel. Please यहाँ थोड़ा ध्यान देना होगा। अब अगला जो टेक्निकल चीज है, आपने यूट्यूब चैनल क्रिएट कर लिया, बस आपने अपना ईमेल डाला, पासवर्ड डाला। इन केस यू डू नॉट हैव ईमेल, यू कैन क्रिएट वन ईमेल, और आपने यूट्यूब ओपन कर लिया। अब ओपन करने के बाद ये कैसा दिखाई देगा और वहां क्या करना पड़ेगा, what would you require to do over there? So you have to customize your channel. अभी तक एक fresh channel मिला है आपको, wherein you have not put anything. It is just a canvas, a blank canvas, and which is required to be painted by you with your content. So what content would be required to put in there? So this is the technical thing and little creative thing also. तो customization में there are three things we are required to customize. One, the layout, means the showcasing or how it looks like, how it will be how it will be displayed, or what would be the creative part on my particular channel. वो layout क्या होगा? Layout में there would be two things. One is channel trailer and second featured video. And the second thing is branding. ये सब क्या है अभी बताने वाले हैं, प्लीज। ब्रांडिंग मीन्स what would be your profile picture, what are its definition, means what would be the resolution to create it. एक प्रोफाइल पिक्चर होगा, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन, जो 98 मल्टीप्लाइड 98 पिक्सल्स के रेजोल्यूशन में होगा, 98 by 98, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन। एंड दिस शुड बी an image in PNG or GIF format only, PNG or GIF. And the size of this image should not go beyond 4 megabyte, not more than 4 MB. Please note it down with you. And this is one time exercise to create your profile picture. In case you have your logo with it, you can put it over there. आप अपने लोगो को आप अपना प्रोफाइल पिक्चर बना सकते हो, in case it is ready with you. In case it is in vector art, it can be put over there. And the second thing is a banner which comes on the top. How it comes on the top, we are going to know it. अभी मैं demonstrate करने वाला हूँ. Banner image. So banner image, it should be 2048 into 1152 pixels and 6 MB. मैं आपको करके दिखाऊंगा ये 1140, ये 2048 और 1152 पिक्सल्स एंड 6 MB साइज से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. इट कैन बी इन जेपीजी फॉर्मेट ऑल्सो, BMP JPG. ये JPG में हो तो ज्यादा अच्छा है. एंड थर्ड वन क्रिएटिव थिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड, वीडियो वाटरमार्क. Video watermark means whatever videos are being played on your channel, so one watermark should come over there so that the people cannot copy your video. आपके अपने कंटेंट को लोग कॉपी ना कर लें, इसलिए you can put a JPG, PNG, BMP और GIF file. In case it is a GIF file, then it should be without animation, means animation would not be displayed in video watermark. And the size should be 150 by 150 pixels, and up to 1 MB storage files can be uploaded as video watermark. So these three things would be required for branding. And for basic information about your channel, channel name would be required and its description would be required. And in case you want to put your social links like your portal link or Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, these all links can be added over there, and one email ID can be put as a contact information in case people want to connect with you. तो ये तीन चीजें हमें कस्टमाइजेशन में चाहिए. अब हम सीधे कस्टमाइजेशन में चल रहे हैं और मैं एग्जांपल में अपना एक चैनल आपको दिखाने वाला हूं जहां पर आप देख सकेंगे कि वो कस्टमाइजेशन कैसे हुआ है. ये एक मेरा चैनल है और मैं अभी अपने चैनल पर आपको लेके चलता हूं और उसका कस्टमाइजेशन विद एग्जांपल आप देख सकेंगे. ये एक ट्रेलर है और यहां जब भी आप जाएंगे, whenever you are opening your channel, so this is one channel, you will get customize channel or manage videos, two buttons in the blue color on your right side, top side. Now you will see that the picture which is being displayed on the top, this picture is banner. This picture is a banner. यहाँ ये banner है एंड दिस इज द प्रोफाइल पिक्चर, ये प्रोफाइल पिक्चर है। तो यहां से आप क्या कर सकते हैं, कस्टमाइज चैनल पर चल रहे हैं, so you have to click on customize channel immediate after creating your channel। जैसे ही चैनल में लॉगिन किया, and this is one time exercise, go to customize channel, yes, now it will give you these three things: layout, branding and basic info. Layout, branding and basic info. In layout, so I have put some video spotlight here, I have put a featured video here, featured section I have created, but for you it will not come there। आपको पहली बार ये कैसा आएगा मैं आपको दिखाता हूं। जब आप फर्स्ट टाइम जाएंगे तो ये कस्टमाइजेशन आपने किया, yes, give me 1 minute, I'm going to log in a fresh new channel, ताकि आपको वही दिखाई दे जो एक्चुअली पहली बार वहां आपको दिखाई देगा। ये चैनल है, जब भी चैनल पर जाएंगे आप, यू हैव टू गो टू द ऑन द टॉप, एंड यहां आपके नाम का फर्स्ट लेटर वो शो कर रहा होगा अगर आपने प्रोफाइल नहीं लगाया। इन केस आपने प्रोफाइल रख दिया है तो आपको वहां वो इमेज दिखाएगा। यहां से योर चैनल पर क्लिक किया, ओके बाला सुब्रमण्यम जी ने कहा है कि प्लीज मेक एक्सप्लेनेशन इन इंग्लिश। ओ ग्रेट, thank you sir। Now it has no subscribers, this is the brand new channel, fresh canvas, you have created it first time, I also have created this right now, and just to demonstrate for you। Now I'm going to customize channel। Now the customization window will come different way, and the channel I had already, so it's that window was little different because I have done a lot of customization already। So in case you want to learn more, you can learn more from here, otherwise it will come like this: layout, branding, basic info। Now in this layout, video spotlight, because I already had done my video spotlight, means the first time the video should come over there। Channel trailer for people who have not subscribed, one channel trailer will be displayed to the people who have not yet subscribed। So there would be some lucrative kind of video which will be displayed to the people, to the new people who are going to visit your channel, and those who are subscribers, some featured videos will be given to them। Those who are already subscribers, then they should not see the one video again and again which they have seen already, so they will get frustrated। That's why they should come with the new content, then you put featured video here। So in case you have a channel trailer, or you would be creating this channel trainer, then channel trailer will be put here, like just clicking on this add button। In case I'm adding this button here, it will go to the videos। In case I have put some videos, then so far I have no video on this particular channel, that's why it is not able to explore। But in other channel, if I go in the different channel, yes, this has this channel trailer for people who have not subscribed। In case I want to change this video, then I just have to click on change video, and it is showing a lot of videos। So it is asking any video which I think is a good kind of video to attract new people, so I should just click on one of them, and it will be put here in the form of this channel trailer। So that I think is clear to everyone. Okay, and next is featured video। In case you have come up with a new creation, that should go in this particular section, and it is showing how many featured section, I mean the videos I have uploaded 90 videos are there. And in case I have a short video, then I have created a section where it is showing short videos. I have a short video of 20 seconds also. Otherwise, there are other videos with various length. And what are popular videos? So these are 90 videos who are popular among all above. So this way, this would be your layout customization. Now going to the second step of customization. In this second step, you will see one picture. So I have my logo and I have put it here. Logo. Then in case you have logo, you can put it here. Otherwise, you can put your photograph in case you are going to create one individual channel. Banner image. So banner image is 20481152. So you need not to write it. Whenever you will go to the YouTube, whatever information I have shown you in that particular PPT, this already has here, means you can upload a picture of 98 by 98, 4 MB, PNG or GIF without animation. The same way, 20481152 pixels and 6 MB. And video watermark. So I have put my video watermark on entire video. There are 3 options. You can display your watermark on the, in the starting of your video, or at the end part of your video, or at the entire video. So you have 3 options. You can put anywhere. So I have put it on entire video. I think this is clear to you. Is that clear to everyone, please? Should I go ahead to the next step?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. And the third thing is the basic info. And this basic info means just put the name of your channel. Channel, I put it People Trainers. It's an example to you. And the description, you can write your description here in 1000 words. So please put your descriptive, detailed description here so that people can see this. This would be visible to the people. So that you have to write. So the exercise comes to you. The second exercise is just please note it down on the paper. You have to create a channel trailer. Channel trailer. This is the second exercise. The first exercise was to decide your purpose, and the second exercise is create a channel, and in channel you have to customize your channel, and certain things would be required to customize your channel. The one thing is your channel trailer. Channel trailer is what? It's a short duration video which will be displayed to the people, and in case people like it, they'll subscribe your video, subscribe your channel. So it should be very attractive, and the best part of you, whatever best you can or you do for the people, that video should come over there. One channel trailer. So how you would be creating this, that we can discuss later. And the featured video, which is the best video, best creation of you or your business, that should come over there. Please note it down. Channel trailer, featured video. 2 things are required in layout, and 3 things are required for this branding. That is your logo or profile picture. That profile picture can be your own picture also. Banner image, video watermark. Video watermark can be your logo, and the profile picture can be your photograph. So that is your choice what you want to put over there. Third thing, in basic info, you would require to decide a name of your channel. So please, in case you are operating in a business, then you can put the same name here. And in case you want to start a new channel, passion-based channel, then you can put anything. Like somebody asked me that how should we put the name of gaming? So gaming names are being put on the basis of a different language the gambler use actually. So gamers and best gamers and ultimate gaming, like such kind of names they put over there. So what you can do, you just make a list of 20 gaming channels and then just have a glance on it, and you would get a suitable name for your particular channel. आप अपने 10-20 चैनल्स के लिए 20 चैनल आप अपने कॉम्पिटिटर्स के सर्च कर लें और उसमें से आप डिस्कस करके चैनल का नाम ढूंढ सकते हैं, और यू कैन डिस्कस दोज 20 channels name with me, and me or Vanita ma'am can suggest you which should you can take it. So that is purely your choice. We can help you to take the decision only. One thing, and the second, your description, please note it down. The fourth point, description in approx 1000 words. It can go up to 1000 words. So write the description or your channel, and in case you can make the bulleted list over there, so the people can understand it easily. And after that, in case you have a website, then that link would be required. Channel URL. So this is showing the URL of your channel. This channel has one address, has one domain name, has one channel URL, universal resource locator. So this can be copied and can be put to anyone, or it can be sent to anyone to access your channel. So this is the actual technical address of your channel. This is channel URL, and there is one icon copy. You can copy it and you can send it to the people across. Like I'm putting it here in the chat box. Wow, great. Gamer Artificial, Gamergenics, Gamera. So आप जितने भी लोग यहाँ हैं, those who are in this room, please suggest one name. So I would Gamergenics. It should be a single name, then it would be a good one name. Gamerlaja, Gameraro, Gamergenics, and Gamerlaja. So I would suggest these two names here, and you can take anyone. And after that, after just copying this channel, please put it with you, so that you should have a handy link of your channel you want to share with other people, or you want to put in your advertisement also. Then please copy it from here and put somewhere in your mobile phone separately, so that you should not access it again and again to go over there. And after that, these social links can be put over there. Like I have put my website link is there, and this my Google business page link is there, Facebook page link is there, my personal LinkedIn profile is there, and my company profile is also there. So you can add as many as social links you want, they can be added. After that, on your banner, the first five links can be displayed. So these first 5 links will be displayed on your banner also. So only 5 links will be displayed there. After that, you have to put one email. It can be the same you have created this YouTube channel with that particular email, or you can change it to a different email. So this will be displayed to the people. So this is required to put in the basic info. Layout 2 things, branding 3 things, and basic info there are approx 4 things. So you would be requiring these social links. You would be requiring a description, that exercise you have to do. You would be requiring to decide your channel name, and this channel URL is a by default URL being created by YouTube. You need not to do anything. You just have to copy it from here, and you have to put it separately somewhere in your mobile phone, so that it should be handy to you. I think this is clear to everyone. Is that clear?
So there is bit confusion, because we have to create this link, or this is already generated?
Oh, so this link is not to be created. This link is already generated by YouTube. So this, you need not to do anything. You just have to copy it from here and put somewhere with you handy, so that this link can be shared with the people with your advertisements wherever you are forwarding the link of this video, because you would be promoting this channel, so that people can come to your YouTube channel and then this link will be considered as a link to visit your this channel. So you need not to do anything. This would be created by YouTube by default. You just have to copy it from here. I think now clear?
Okay, sir, but like we have to add links to the site. These are the 4, 5 links, 6 links we have added. So this will also get displayed once it is getting open.
So these links are social links, ma'am. These both the things are separate. This channel URL is URL created by YouTube, but in case you have certain social links with you, you have your website, and apart from that, you might have your Google My Business page. You might be having a Facebook page profile or business page. You might be have a LinkedIn presence wherein you have a profile. Then you just have to copy these links from there, from that particular social platform, and you are required to put here. And that is your choice. That is your choice.
Okay.
Huh.
That
So
means this we have to copy from our different and then URL will
Exactly.
be copied here.
Exactly,
Okay, fine.
exactly,
Because I thought that how come all of a sudden all this has come?
No. They will not come over there. You have to copy, like I'm going somewhere. You can see that I'm going to a website, and this is website, and I'm just going to my URL bar and just copying it from there and going to my channel and putting it here and paste it simply.
Okay.
So that exercise is required to do
Great.
here. Nothing
sir.
else.
Thank you.
And one email ID. Okay, I think this is clear to you. Now going ahead to the next next step, that is channel customization is okay. And the next fourth step is profile and advanced setting. I'll go little fast. So in case you people have 10 more minutes, so it would require 10 minutes, hardly 15 minutes to complete it. In case you people are comfortable, then we can continue it. Otherwise, we can take it another day. Are you okay for 10 minutes more? So great. Wonderful. Okay. So great. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Yes. Thank you, everyone. Okay, so I'll try to move fast. One is profile and advanced setting. Profile and advanced setting, a lot of settings would be required. And going directly to the demonstration, profile and advanced setting. And profile and advanced setting would be on your left side. You would be having your profile picture, dashboard, content, playlist, analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright, monetization, customization, audio library, and then settings. And then click on these settings. You would be having 6 things over there. 6 kind of settings you have to do. General, you just have to select one currency out of a drop-down menu. I have selected Indian rupees. So this will be used at the time when you would be getting monetization from your channel. जब आप पैसे कमा रहे होंगे चैनल से, तब ये करेंसी काम में आएगी. But you have to decide it in advance. Second thing, channel basic info, advanced setting, and feature eligibility. Basic things you have to put, you have to select your country, India, country of residence. I have selected India. So after that, this is very important exercise. Please note it. This is very important exercise. Your channel will get promoted on the basis of these keywords. In which particular domain you are operating, all expected words and sentences, a layman person, a potential customer of you will search on YouTube, and then your channel should come over there. So these are the keywords from which the people make a search on search engine, and your channel will rank over there. Sir, I have a question. Yes, please.
Sir, you told about the country. If in between I'm changing the country from India, I'm going to other countries, so I have to change the setting as well, and also the general setting of Indian INR?
Better. You should. Because if you are going to monetize this, then There is one condition in YouTube monetization that there are certain countries who do not fall in the category where YouTube pay for videos. So they decide
Okay.
in which particular country you are. If that falls in that compliance, then only you would be get paid from there. So better you change it. Otherwise, if you do not change, then it doesn't matter. They can.
Country I should change?
Yeah, always you can change. It's customizable.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
And the better thing is the important thing is these keywords. So these are the keywords for your channel. In case people are searching with people, trainers, Suyog, digital marketing incorporation, interns, learn, online teaching, whatever word they are putting in their sentences to search something on YouTube. So my YouTube channel has possibility to come in that particular search. So this you have to write minimum 10 words and 10 sentences, small sentences, please. You have to do one exercise for you. Please write 10 words or 10 sentences, small sentences, that how to do digital marketing, how to do video marketing, how to create a video, how to edit a video. So such kind of 10 sentences and 10 words. So you can write 10, 20, 30, and then you can decide which best words and sentences are there. People will search you. And the second thing is advanced setting. Advanced setting, you just have to declare that whether the content you are going to pour in, so would it be for kids or not for kids. So if it is for kids, then you have to decide in advance that the channel is specifically for kids. And if it is not for kids, then you have to declare that it is not for kids. And in case you want to take this authority in your hand, that at the time of uploading each and every video, you would be reviewing that whether it is for kids or not. Then you can check this third option over there. And after that, link account. So at the time of creation, your channel, you need not to link any account. This is Google Ads account, and it would be linking whenever you would be allowing this YouTube to play advertisements with your advertisement or with your videos. So that it would be required later. So I'm not covering it now. And automatic captions, in case you want to put automatic captions, then you can check it. Subscribe count, in case you want to display on your channel, then you can check it. Otherwise, you can remove it. So now the subscribe count will not be displayed. And whenever you are going to create your channel, so I would recommend that for first 2, 3, 4 months, till the time you have no adequate number of subscribers over there. So you just uncheck this option so that the number of subscribers should not be displayed over there. And just third one thing is feature eligibility. That is the default features. I have enabled feature that require phone verification. So I have enabled. So this again is not required to discuss a lot at this moment. So I'm just covering what is essentially required to create this. Upload defaults. Default video, in case you want to upload, then you can write title and description here. Advanced setting. This setting will be asked whenever you will upload a video. Then there is by default setting. It will ask you to write a title of your video and the description of that particular video. And apart from that, it will ask you license. That's a standard license. You need not to do anything. It will ask you which language you are uploading the video. That will be asked. And in case you want to declare it already that I would put the content in English or Hindi, then you can declare it already one time. Then you need not to do this exercise again and again. So this is, and comments, in case people, because whenever you will upload your video, people will comment on your video. So you have authority in your hand that you allow the comments or you disable the comments, or you hold potentially inappropriate comments for review and hold all comments for review. So in case you are allowing, every comment will be allowed. And if you disable, none of the comment will be displayed over there. And in case you want to hold some inappropriate comments, as YouTube algorithm, YouTube software may consider at their end, they'll pass those comments to you and you will have authority to which one will be displayed and which one not. Then you can take this option here. Permissions. So this option is permission for people trainers. In case you want to give permission to access or upload videos to somebody else, then you can add some more people. I mean, you can give this permission to anybody else also. And this is community, so not required to cover at this moment. Agreement is a standard agreement. So you just have to click OK on this. Now the settings have been saved. This step is also clear now. So I think यहाँ तक सबको clear है. कोई question है किसी का? Okay, great. Time हो गया तो just a minute. 4 steps we have covered, and the 5th step is finally upload your first YouTube video. So this was the science which was required to create a YouTube channel first time. And just now you have to create your video and upload on it. How you can upload it, I'm just going to demonstrate it to you. I have published. Whenever you change the settings, you have to publish it so that it can get saved in the YouTube. Now I'm going to upload one video. So I just have to create on this create button, upload video. It will give you 2 options over there. Going back, upload video in case you have already processed video with you, or in case you want to go live, you have no video, but you want to go live, then it will record automatically your video and it will be live for the people to whom you are connected, and it will be recorded also, and after that automatically it will be uploaded by the YouTube. And now I'm going to upload. Select file simply and select the location of the video. Just I'm going to select one video. This is one video I've selected. After just selecting this file, it will ask the questions which were default questions I have decided over there: title, description, and it is getting uploaded. And one new address, new link of this video is being created by YouTube automatically without any your efforts. Now it will show some thumbnails here. Automatically it will decide 3 thumbnails. And in case you want to upload your additional thumbnail, thumbnail means one photo, which will be the face photo of your video. So that you can upload here in case you have on your system, then it can be uploaded like this. I have selected this one like this. And now I have take this authority in my hand that yes, it is made for kids or not for kids. So it is not for kids. Age restriction, in case you want to put age restrictions, you can define it here. And if it is for paid promotion, then just select for paid promotion. And how this video will be searched by the people, then you again can put your tags here. Please remember the tags which I have displayed few moments earlier. Those tags were decided by you for your entire channel. Was these tags. Tags means some keywords are required to put in once again so that this video should come in the search of the people. So the tags of particular video and the tags of channel are different. For each video which is going to public should have multiple tags here so that it should come in the research. So Maninder ji ने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा है, प्लीज यस प्लीज आप पूछ सकते हैं.
सर मैंने देखा है कि some people name the videos by 2 names, 2 different names together. They are written with a line between. सो एक तो ये पूछना था कि वो उसका क्या इफेक्ट होता है, और दूसरा सेकंड थिंग हैशटैग, व्हाई इज हैशटैग?
यस, सो एक तो क्वेश्चन था आपका कि दो वीडियोस को, मेरे को एक बार रिपीट करेंगे सर?
नहीं, एक ही सर, जैसे आप टाइटल रखते हैं ना,
हाँ,
नेम द टाइटल, सो कैन वी गिव टू नेम्स टू अ वीडियो?
एब्सोल्युटली। आप इस वीडियो को, होता क्या है, आप जितना ज्यादा डिस्क्रिप्शन यहाँ लिखेंगे, लाइक व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस के लिए वीडियो है, तो आई एम पुटिंग लर्न हाउ टू डू marketing through WhatsApp, and then learn the magics of WhatsApp business application. Now, if somebody is searching with business application, then also this video will come in the search. And in case somebody is searching with the how to do marketing through WhatsApp, then again it will come in the search. And better, it is recommended to put one sentence, one better attractive sentence in title, and whatever information you want to do additionally, it should come in description. In description, you can write up to 5,000 words. So you can put multiple sentences here just to put your video in the multiple search, so that it can be put over there. So at the time of search, the video will come with 2, 3, 4 titles over there. तो वो यहां से दिखाई देंगे सर आपको, मनिंदर जी।
ठीक है सर, एक हैशटैग का भी बता दीजिएगा सर।
मैं हैशटैग को अभी आपको पहले कवर कर दूं, फिर आपको कवर करूंगा सर, टाइम थोड़ा ज्यादा है, ठीक है?
राइट राइट सर,
हाँ,
राइट सर,
ओके
थैंक यू सो मच।
ओके, वेलकम सर। तो यहाँ वीडियो अपलोड हो गया। अब दो टॉपिक बचे हैं इसके, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड विद इन 2-3 मिनट्स दोज विल बी कंप्लीटेड। मीनवाइल अगर किसी के कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो प्लीज वो चैट बॉक्स में रखते जाएंगे, और जिन लोगों को जल्दी जाना है वो जा सकेंगे, और जिनको जो रुक सकेंगे वो अपने क्वेश्चंस को आंसर कर सकेंगे। चलिए, एंड आफ्टर दैट द थर्ड स्टेप, because we discussed at the time of starting of this session that we would be covering 4 topics. 2 topics are covered, and the third one is optimization. Optimization means you have created your channel, but how people come to know that you have a channel? How people will come to your channel? So this optimization is required. Optimization is required, and how you will do this optimization? So these are few secrets you have to follow this after creating your channel. The one secret is use keywords in your titles and description. So I have cleared this already. You have to put certain keywords in your title and your description part of video. And the second secret is use subtitles / transcription. Subtitle or transcription is what? Your video is in English, and you are speaking something in video, but in case you write the text also on your video, which is being displayed on the bottom part of your video, then it will be optimized better way, because it is putting certain words, keywords, sentences, text over there, and that text can be searched by someone, and then your video come in the search. So better you can put subtitles and transcription, and YouTube gives this facility to you. You can create one separate file in Microsoft Word, and that can be uploaded with your video, and that text will come with your video. It will get displayed on the bottom part of it. So you can do that. And the third thing, create impactful thumbnails. Thumbnail means the face image of your video, and that you should create it. In case you can create with a human face, then it attracts people more than other things. So try to put like this: business through videos or WhatsApp marketing. This way, in case you can put it up with a human face, then it comes in the search, or people like it. This is the third thing. And the fourth thing, include related tags and hashtags. So tags I have covered, sir. This is tags, and hashtag means you have seen in LinkedIn and Facebook. you create some hashtags over there just to put in over there. Tags means the long tags, sentences also can be put over there. Hashtags are small tags, they can be put over there, and just to entangle people in search engine. So that is hashtag. And for elaborate discussion on hashtag, we can connect, sir. And after that, the fifth one is add cards to cross promote. Cards means at the initial part of your video, you can put certain things over there. So that is called card. So you can create cards on YouTube. So that can be put over there. That is one optimization. And sixth secret is end screen. You will see that on the end of your YouTube channel, whenever the video ends, so certain video clips, photographs comes over there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are called end screens or call to action. So your photograph can come over there, your offer can come over there, and your mobile number can come over there. So that in case you put over there, so it makes your YouTube channel optimized, and it can be created, it can be popularized easily. And the fourth thing is monetization. Monetization means you can earn money through your YouTube channel. And that is the purpose of most of the people to create a channel. In case you also have a purpose, then what is the basic requirement to get money from YouTube? These are four things. One is location. So there are certain countries wherein monetization is not allowed by the YouTube. And luckily, India is the country wherein it is allowed. So India is in that particular list. For other countries, you can see the list. It is available online at the site of YouTube. And the second thing is threshold. What is this threshold? Threshold means to get money from YouTube, you should have minimum 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time of your videos in previous 12 months. In previous 12 months, in case you had 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, then you will be eligible to get payment get money from YouTube. And the third thing, subscribers, that came in the threshold itself. And the fourth one is your AdSense account. To get money, you have to create an AdSense account, which can be created at YouTube easily, or you can go to the google.com and it can be created. But if you are going to create YouTube channel first time, then you should focus on creating it and creating attractive videos. And then your target should be, for one particular year, you should have 1,000 subscribers minimum and 4,000 hours of watch time. So that was the whole science of YouTube channel creation. Now, in case you have more questions, those who want to leave, then they can leave, or those who have questions to ask, they can ask. Yes, please. A great silence in the room.
So this is Dr. Pooja Nagpal. I just want to tell that this is like we have learned it theoretically as of now, until and unless we are not giving hands-on session on creating all this. We will have lots of doubts maybe by tomorrow, day after, when we start creating it. So kindly help us at that time.
No, not a problem. Not a problem. Obviously, you are absolutely right. So
Yeah.
I just have communicated, I have shared, and you took it. It was an easy process, but whenever you will deep
Yes,
dive in
sir.
this particular process, then only you'll have some questions over there. So please
Yes,
go
sir.
through. And in case you have certain questions, then we are going to meet once again on coming Tuesday. And
Yes, sir.
at that particular day, we would be discussing a lot how to create a video, how you can shoot a video, what are prerequisites of video making, and how you can edit this, how you can process a video to upload on YouTube. So that whole process we are going to do. And at that time, please list out all your doubts and queries and please pass it over there. And
Sure,
this
sir.
way we
Thank
can-
you.
Okay, welcome, ma'am. Yes, Ganeshji, you have given me certain names and I have recommended 2 names. And on the basis of those names, you can create your one. So I have, please try to make it a single word like Gamergenics or Gamerlaja and Gameraro. So these are 3 things, 3 names. And out of these 3, similarly, you can give one name, putting something before it or after it. So that can be a good combination. Gamer Dude is also a good option, but it is coming with 2 words, and 2 words is not recommended. In case you can put it in a single word, then it would be a good name. Yes, please. Any more question, please?
Sir,
Sir?
we'll put up the questions in our question box because once we start working practically, then we'll come to know like what are the actual problem. So it will be easy like on Tuesday when we'll start the session, maybe on Monday also we'll be meeting because we have a session. So if it is possible on Monday, can we sort out the queries?
So at this moment, I cannot communicate this because I have to discuss with Neeta ma'am. So that will be decided by her only. And in case she allows, then I can discuss with her. So ma'am, you please discuss with Neeta ma'am.
Sir,
Fine.
you are having session on Monday, no?
Monday,
are
I
you
would-
available 6
Monday.
to 7?
Monday at this time, I would not be available. I'm sorry. Yes.
So that's why we have kept it on Tuesday, no?
So
As you are not available on Monday.
So Tuesday, Neeta ma'am, in case you can allow, people can connect me little before from that session, means 10, 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So we can start earlier just to clarify all the queries of this YouTube channel related, then we can start video making. So those
So
who are
5:30?
5:30 here, we can start 5:30 and up to 6 p.m. we would be discussing this YouTube channel. And after that, we would be covering that video making.
That's great.
Fine for everyone, no?
Ma'am, if it's
Fine for
5:30,
us.
we are working, it would be difficult
It's a doubt clarification only, no?
Right,
If we are
ma'am.
not having any
because
doubts.
we come back from the workplace. Yeah.
6 o'clock you may join, that is not a problem. It's only for doubt
Later also we
clarification.
can ask if we have any doubts. If we
Yeah,
are
later
joining.
on. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Those who have doubts, they can join at 5:30.
Yes, yes.
Madam, can we get a face recording?
Yes, yes, you'll get. Lesson will not be there, theory will not be there, but recording you all will get.
मैम
हम्म।
मेरे पास लैपटॉप नहीं है तो मैं मोबाइल में से इसी प्रोसेस में
कर सकते हो,
सब
कर सकते हो, दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। आप रिकॉर्डिंग देखो सभी लोग, अभी आपको व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू सी द रिकॉर्डिंग, ट्राई इट अगेन practically. If at all you are having any doubts, queries, or you are getting stuck somewhere, just note it down where you find it difficult, and then on Tuesday we will again discuss on this particular thing. And whatever is today's homework, I'll give you the homework on group only. Once you'll get the recording, no, at that moment of time you'll get the homework. So meanwhile, please try to go through all these things. If at all not possible, that is not a problem, but at least 1 or 2 videos, initial videos, and whatever we have up till now done. So on the basis of that, there will be some homework for this 2 days, because tomorrow and day after tomorrow we are not meeting, Saturday, Sunday. So you have to utilize these 2 days and you have to do something very creative. So that homework I'm going to give you on group. If you are having any doubts on or queries regarding that, you may ask me on the discussion group. Fine. Any more doubts or queries?
Monday we'll have the session.
Yes, yes. Monday we are having session only. Practical session Friday and Tuesday. Other sessions like theory related thing, conceptual things we are discussing, just like other lessons we have discussed. In the similar way, we will have another topic to be discussed on Monday. So 7 days session, out of that 5 days is conceptual learning and 2 days is practical.
So Tuesday is the last day, right?
7 days नहीं हुआ ना अभी तक, आज तो फोर्थ सेशन है ना, तो और 1-2 दिन रहेंगे शायद, और अगर नहीं हुआ कंप्लीट तो
Okay.
1 or 2 days
Wednesday.
more